Tired of manually sending out the same invoice every month? Let's automate your recurring payments in Pandadoc and reclaim your time. First, we need to create a new document in Pandadoc. You can start from scratch or use a template for recurring invoices. It's best to have a clear template ready to go. Once your template is open, navigate to the right-hand panel and find the More section. Click on the ellipsis, the 3 dots, to expand the options. You'll see a recurring option here. Click on it to enable this powerful feature. Now, let's configure your recurring schedule. You can choose a frequency from daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly for most subscriptions. Monthly will be your go-to. Next, set the start date for your recurring invoices. This is crucial for billing your clients accurately from the beginning of their service period. You also have the option to set an end date. This is perfect for fixed-term agreements or trial periods. If it's an ongoing service, you can leave this blank. Now, let's talk about payment processing. Under the Payment tab within the Recurring settings, you can choose your preferred payment gateway. Pandadoc integrates with popular options like Stripe and PayPal, making it seamless for your clients to pay. Once your payment gateway is connected, you can select whether to automatically charge the client upon invoice creation or allow them to pay manually for true automation. We recommend setting it to automatically charge. Finally, hit Save to activate your recurring invoice. Pandadoc will now automatically generate and send out invoices based on your chosen schedule, ensuring you get paid on time, every time.